Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Binance copy trading step by step. If you are new to crypto or don't have much trading experience, this feature lets you automatically copy trades from experienced traders. First, open the Binance app and go to copy trading under the functions section. You will see a list of public traders. Before copying anyone, check their recent performance, profit and loss history, and returns over the last 790 days. Avoid traders with consistent losses and choose someone with a strong track record. Once you have found a trade, tap copy. You can choose a fixed amount to invest in each trade, set your stop loss and trade profit levels, and adjust your leverage. If you are a beginner, it's best to keep your leverage low, around 2x to 4x, and use isolated margin to reduce risk. Finally, review your settings and confirm. Finance will automatically copy that trader's future trades based on your preferences. Start with a small amount, monitor the trade's performance, and don't be afraid to stop copying if they are no longer performing well. That's it. Finance copy trading is an easy way to learn from experienced traders while managing your own risk. Thanks for watching.